Hello everybody, Salimah, and we're back for the next segment of Ask the Yogi. I'm delighted to be here with you, and thank you so much for the feedback on all the other sections that we've done. The question here that we have from all the members here in our studio audience, so that's where all these questions are coming from. And this question says, have you ever experienced a Kundalini or had an awakening? I know where this is coming from. Somebody's been Googling Kundalini Yoga. And that's that's the power of the internet right now, is that we have so much access to information, but what we don't know is what's accurate. There is so the word Kundalini is more of a generic term. It is the rising of energy. So first of all, let's get that clear in our minds, that it's a rising of energy. Kundalini is actually a shift in consciousness. And so a shift in consciousness is really a beautiful thing, and a very safe and safe experience that we actually want to welcome into our lives. So where you may have researched this and thought, oh my goodness, this is dangerous, it's going to hurt me, I'd like you to reconsider. And reconsider that from a Kundalini Yoga perspective. Now, there's a whole branch of yoga. This is my specialty, and what I teach here, and also yoga teacher training here at the studio, is all about Kundalini Yoga. And this particular form of practice includes mantra, breathing, movement, meditation, and relaxation. These 5 components make this a very safe journey. And what it does is takes us one step at a time through a very deliberate process of tuning in, of aligning ourselves, of being body aware, and then taking the next step, which is to become more conscious. And by consciousness, we're talking about changing in perspective, an understanding of where we are, and then getting a little glimmer of perspective on what could happen next. So it's not a big event. It is a change in who we are over time. So has it happened to me? Absolutely. Would I be practicing Kundalini Yoga if I didn't have any results? So I really enjoy this practice because over time I found myself more open-minded, less emotional, commotional, and really ready to serve in the best and the highest of my capacity. So that's what I take as a Kundalini rising, as an awakening, as a shift in consciousness. I hope this helps. And if you'd like to explore Kundalini Yoga, you came to the right place. We've got lots of video here. Check out the one in particular called 30-Minute Kundalini Yoga Practice. And I think you'll find that one really interesting and challenging. And do it for 40 days and see what happens. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now. Sat Nam.